Hiya gang, it's Paul from Rio Driving School. Just a quick update. Hannah has just taken her ADI Part 2 exam and she passed. She passed with flying colours, made it easy apparently. Hannah, tell us what just happened. You were telling me something. So what happened right at the start of her assessment, they asked, her examiner asked her to do a reverse bay park, and then what happened?
So I did it, and then I just sat there and I went, gosh, I'm out of breath.
You're asking her to leave the car park and she had to stop for a moment just to catch her breath again. Anyway, all good, on to part 3 now, so we'll keep you all apprised as to what's going on there. But 2 out of 2, so this is where the real work begins now. So deep breath.